Now this video is about how to get admitted into a hospital. Seems to be easy, but using a medical card. Right now, I'm doing this video because my wife recently got hospitalized for dengue. Dengue is an emergency. It's considered an emergency. It's an epidemic in Asia right now. Yeah. So when you do get to hospital and they suspect you of having dengue, they will go to emergency. All right, and not normal check-in. Okay, emergency. And the medical officer will take your details, height, weight, and whatnot, general history. Then you have to wait for the ER doctor to say whether it's severe enough to ward you. Your severity will depend on your platelet count. Your platelet count should be between 150 to 450 points. If it has dropped significantly or you're having very severe symptoms, they will ward you. Now, only when the ER doctor says, okay, we are going to admit you, then only then will the clerk start the process of admission, which means previously you have registered, but to get the guarantee letter from the insurer company, then only they will call for the GL, guarantee letter. Now, guarantee letter, I was the agent and I couldn't do much about it. It depends on the company. So it will take between an hour to an hour and a half to actually get the guarantee letter. In the meantime, they will drip you. All right. If your guarantee letter is rejected, they will request for a deposit. If you can't pay a deposit, then you have to go to a different hospital. When the guarantee letter does come in, then from the emergency room, they will ward you. And that's done. That's simple. And they'll monitor you. Dengue usually takes between, they say 7 days average before you can get out. But depending on your platelet count, if your platelet count is on the upbound, they will discharge you. Now, how to get an easy discharge? Now, the hospital I went to was Park City, down Desa Park City, Sam Dhabi. It's very good. But if you, so to discharge, you need this. You need first the doctor to say that you're okay, and then the doctor needs to write a discharge report. Once the discharge report is written, then can you go settle your final bill. And some hospitals, when the doctor doing the rounds is very busy, they may take, let's say they come in the morning, they check you, say you're okay to get out, but they will not be able to write the report until they finish their rounds or their clinic duties, which is in the evening. Now, this is where you can make a difference. You can say, please help me write this report faster, or bug the nurse, or bug the doctor, or actually go to the clinic where the doctor is seeing patients and sit down and give him the time to write the final report. You take your final report, you will go to the cashier. Cashier will then, depending on the GL, guarantee letter, they will clear it for you. The reception will send the memo to the insurer. The insurer will then come back and say, yes, we are now agreeing to pay. This also will take some time, so get comfortable, don't check out yet in your bed. When the insurer has gotten back to the hospital, then the nurse will come tell you, say, okay, you have now been cleared final bill, you may leave. If you don't clear the final bill, you may not leave. Bit of a prison thing, but yeah. So the thing to play out is when the doctor writes the report. That's when you can save the most time. Now, I've heard it in the industry that morning doctors say, okay, evening only you can check out. That's because the doctor doesn't have time to write the report. So that's when you can save a bit of time. I hope this helps. And if you exhibit any symptoms of dengue fever, I will put the link below for CDC's dengue symptoms. Do get checked out. It's between 150 to 200 ringgit to get checked out if you have dengue. So stay safe. I'll see you in the next video and stay covered. Bye.